Let's talk about psoriasis, a skin disease that brings much pain and suffering to many people, and the new antibody treatments to help keep said disease in check. Psoriasis is an autoimmune condition that causes the skin to form dry and scaly patches that can be painful or itchy. It can also manifest as a rash on the nails or joints. But to explain how antibodies help, we must talk to you about cytokines. For psoriasis, it is very important to talk about a cytokine called interleukin-23. Interleukin-23 is in the interleukin-12 group of cytokines released by macrophages and dendritic cells. Interleukin-23 is comprised of two subunits, P40 and P19. The P19 subunit is unique to interleukin-23, while the P40 subunit is found in interleukin-12, which is comprised of P35 with P40. Interleukin-23 is abundant in peripheral tissues, including the skin, intestinal mucosa, and lungs. Excess of interleukin-23 can cause many autoimmune diseases, such as psoriasis and rheumatoid arthritis, because it helps expand Th17 cells. The Th17 cells send out danger signals that lead to an influx of excessive amounts of neutrophils that can damage tissues. What can be done to treat these autoimmune inflammatory disorders? The interleukin-23 Th17 signaling pathway has the lead role in the formation of psoriasis, because interleukin-23 induces the formation of a particularly aggressive type of Th17 cell. Where there is too much interleukin-23, there are then way too many of the nasty type of Th17 cells. Th17 cells generate interleukin-22, which causes excessive growth of keratinocytes, and interleukin-17A, finally leading to psoriasis. Monoclonal interleukin-23 inhibitors are used to treat psoriasis and other autoimmune disorders. We have antibodies that block P40, which block both interleukin-12 and interleukin-23, and other antibodies that block P19. These antibodies block the interleukin-23 signaling pathways by attaching to the P40 or P19 subunit, causing a reduction in the pathogenic Th17 cells. An example of interleukin-23 inhibitors is guselkumab, a monoclonal antibody administered via an injection in the skin that obstructs the P19 subunit of interleukin-23, reducing the number of pathogenic Th17 cells in the skin, resulting in clinical improvement for people with psoriasis.